Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to change Google Chrome language. How to do this? Let's start. Open Google Chrome and click on three dot on the top right side and go to setting option. Setting interface will open. On the left side, find language option. Click on it. Find on the right side preferred languages option and click on add language button. In this window, you will find your desired language. Now, you can also search here your desired language also. I am writing here Hindi language and click on add button. Now, click on three dot beside the Hindi language. Click on it and click on move to the top option. And again, click on three dot here. Check this option, display Google Chrome in this language. And now click on relaunch button. Google Chrome will be relaunched. After relaunch, you can see your Google Chrome language is changed. This is easy and simple method you can follow to change Google Chrome language. Now open Google search engine and you can also change your languages from here. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in next video. Goodbye.